Watch this amazing transformation of this young man. His name is Joe. He called me on Friday. He was like, hey, I need a toupee. And I'm like, okay, come on in. So he came in and I did the work right then and there. So the very first thing we want to do is sanitize. Then we want to take the razor and we want to cut off all the excess hair where we need to apply the tape. So we didn't want to do adhesive. He said, I just want to be able to wear it on Sundays because I get really cold. My bishop won't let me wear a hat. So I said, hey, I'm getting a toupee. And he says, okay. So we started the work. So now Joe's head was extremely dry. So I noticed that as I was taking off the tape, I love our adhesive tape. I had to put on a little bit of our lockdown, which is water soluble, so it can come off with water, but it really does hold down. So after we shave everything down, we put the adhesive strips down, and then we just kind of work it one piece at a time. You got to be very, very patient, move very slow, and then once it plops, once you measure it, then you hold down, you make sure everything is adhered. He says, oh my God, I look like a crazy man. He said, I can't go to church like this. I said, don't worry, I'm gonna make you look very handsome. He said, boy, them women at the church is not gonna know what hit them when I walk through that door. So I said, oh, so Joe, are we getting this toupee so that possibly you can get a new bride? He said, no, I'm telling you, I stay cold. So I decided to get a toupee. Since my bishop won't let me wear a hat, he has no choice. He's going to let me wear my toupee. So when I tell you this gentleman was a delight. So what you see me doing on the sides now is I'm going in and I'm thinning. This was a very, very thick piece. So I'm going in and just doing blending. So yes, you can see that blunt, the very heavy blunt that I did around the sides. But I had to do that because he kept saying, I want it shorter, I want it shorter. So I had to cut it so he can see that I was listening. Now I'm going to take the Miracle Spray and I'm just going to spray down this beautiful piece. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at his beard and look at that toupee. It is a perfect blend. And when I tell you he kept me laughing the whole time. Look at him. Look how handsome he looks. So I'm just blending in and making him look incredibly amazing. And I'm like, all right, you look like a Superman. He said, no, I just look handsome. That's all. So what an amazing gentleman. I had an absolute delight working with him. Look at that smile. Yeah. I love my job. So I said, Joe, how do you like it? And this is what he did.
Oh my goodness, you're so funny, Dad.
This is to keep my head warm.
Yeah, sure. He said it's to keep his head warm when
That's all I want.
he's in church because his priest
Dad,
keeps the air up so high.
Get out of here with your picture cast, darn it. Will you leave my head alone?
Okay.
He likes playing with it.
I do. I gotta be perfect.
This is your work of art. Is that what you're trying to say?
Well, it gotta be perfect. I'm not doing that.
Oh, I feel warm already. And I'm not afraid to go to church to scare some people.
To scare some
To
people.
scare some people?
You're going to say, who the hell's this guy?
Okay. Boom. And I'm done. Boom. I'm done. You want a part though, don't you?
I usually do.
Yeah, you want a part. Yeah. Ooh, that's it.
Are you ever done?
I'm done until perfection.
She
So
was
welcome,
just
handsome
like-
guy.
You look beautiful, man.
Thank you. You just saying that because I made you look sexy.
I'm real.
Hey, Joe.
I saw enough.
You what?
I saw enough.
How do you look?
I'm ready for church.
That's his beautiful daughter.
Hubba dubba dubba dubba.
You cutie pie, you. Look at you. Look how handsome you are.
All right, we're going to go to phase 2 now, okay?
Beauty is the name you can't trust.